Hi Kaki Watsons, I'm Elena and today we have who I call the king of brows to come and give us some tips and tricks on how to get perfect brows for our face. 老师 𝐏𝐶𝐀 𝐂𝐫.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So before
Yep.
we get started,
Yep.
don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go.
First of all, we need to look at their face. Some people they have a very good features, but big or small, on some is a diamond cut, an oval shape or different shape. How do we design to slim down your face and how to enhance your face, make it more sexy and perfect? I'm using this blade. Before that, we have to use the sanitizer to make it more hygiene. For a pair of eyebrow design, we need to start from our brow head, middle of the brow, and the arch area and the tail. A lot of people they draw a pair of eyebrows uneven. You know why? They are in their mirror doing like, and after that go back. When you concentrate, you like up and down. So that's why when you design good eyebrow, you have to open your eyes and relax your muscle. Just draw it, and you can see the shape is there. Okay, so now I will do the other side. It depends on your face because some people the nose are slightly short and which means that your eyebrow become very long. So it depends on your features. The eyebrow over here is enough, no need like that. Sometimes too long, you make your face too big. Everything just nice, don't over. This is the base. If you know how to handle a base, you use a good product, you will doing a perfect brow. Try to remain your original hair. Don't cut too much. Okay. As an Arena face, we have to choose golden brown. When you draw eyebrow, you have to handle it natural from soft, mid to dark color. Don't only one line look like wow. Lady must soft eyebrow look cute and elegant. Okay, I'm done. Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna do the other side off camera and we'll be done in 1 second. Boom! There you go, 1 second later, that's how fast it is.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Look at my brows. I love it so much because it's very different than how I usually do. I would usually draw it closer to my nose because I wanted to like make my nose look smaller or make it longer because I want to look, you know, snatched. But he says if I make it longer, it'll actually make my features look bigger. So drawing just nice is better, like center, whatever you see, less is more, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So before we end, we actually have one more surprise. We actually have a male guest because these days males, boys also would want to groom up and look nice and look presentable. It's good to trim a bit and make it clean, and we have 𝐏𝐶𝐀 𝐂𝐫 here to give us some tips for men's brows. We have Shane here. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to both of you. Let's learn.
For a man's eyebrow, thin to thick, from slowly to thick down, because men's they have a lot of different shapes. Wow, dark brown or natural gray. When you draw it, just follow your eyebrow shape. Everyone have their stroke, their way. So you try to follow the way. So which means that when you draw it, it's more easy to penetrate. Okay.
So this is the finished end. I really like it. It's very sharp. It makes my features look nice. So can you continue to the next side?
Yeah, for sure.
So guys, stay tuned. You're gonna finish on the next side. We will be right back.
Done.
So guys, this is the finishing look. What do you guys think? You guys enjoy it? Better be because he's doing my brow and
Yes, Sensei 𝐏𝐶𝐀 𝐂𝐫, you know, to do our brows. If you guys like it, comment down below what you guys learned and what you guys found helpful, because we don't always get the 𝐏𝐶𝐀 𝐂𝐫 to do our brows, and we are so grateful to have him here. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah.
So Kaki Watsons, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, hello. Today I want to share with you
Let's go.